Hi, I'm Anna Manuel, and I wanted to show you, I got two boxes in the mail. I got a really long box, and then I got a smaller box, and they both say they're from the melt method. Remember we talked about that when I got the initial email to sign up for Melt on Demand? Well, I have a feeling this is the equipment to go with it. So I thought I would open them up and show you what's inside. Now this one came to me like this, already kind of opened, but it's fine because nothing can happen to it. And just as I suspected, anything else in there? This is a foam roller, a specific foam roller for the melt method. So this is my number one piece of equipment that I can get started on with the gentle self-care technique. That's what it is. It is designed to enhance mobility and stability. In fact, somebody in the program mentioned that after doing melt, one of their wins was that they felt a lot more stable. They had been dealing with uneasiness on their feet, and after doing melt, they were more stable. And it's also clinically proven to reduce chronic pain. So here we are, I'm doing a little unboxing with you as we go. And what's inside? Okay, we have the Melt Method book, so you can learn all about the breakthrough self-treatment system to help with chronic pain. Ooh, erase the signs of aging. We like that. And feel fantastic in just 10 minutes a day. It's a big book actually, so a lot to learn about that. And then this, I'm assuming, is the other piece of equipment. Let's see. You get specialized balls. Yep, in a little pouch. And there's hand and foot balls in here, and a little hand and foot treatment information packet. And look, ooh, there's different sizes. So there's some larger balls and some smaller balls. And these are supposed to be really great as you start to be able to work through the videos and do the different melt treatments to help with any pain you might be having, ease some tension. I got my melt shipment, so I just wanted to show you. And when I do a session with these, I'll show you what that's like too.